Hey YouTube world, this is Uncle Sam. Guess what? Get my camera right. I came outside to do some barbecuing. But look what I see. You see it. It's snowing outside, y'all. This is snow in Atlanta metro area. You see this? I was born and raised in Florida. Born and raised. I ain't used to this kind of stuff, but I'm glad it's happening. I'm gonna turn this camera around real quick and I'm gonna just enjoy the moment of seeing snow. Well, okay, of course, I'm not gonna do any barbecuing today. So I decided to come back into the house to just cozy up, warm up a little bit, but look out the window and see the snow in the sky. And while I'm doing that, I got this stuff out here on the countertop. Well, actually, this is a clip of something I did a few days back. And I just wanted to show you something, what I put together. It's just an experiment. I just got some chicken breasts, some fresh string beans, and I got me some jasmine rice that I'm going to cook. You know how I cook my jasmine rice with that butter, garlic in it, and just, oh, it tastes so good. But anyway, got my yellow pepper and my red pepper and then some onions. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this stuff together, make it taste all good. And I'm just going to show you my little experiment that I just, I just was curious about how this would taste. Okay, I'm going to try to remember everything I did here in this cooking session. But as you see, I got my yellow pepper here and yellow bell pepper, I should say, appropriately. Gonna slice that up and cut out the seed cord there. I'm gonna do the same thing with the red bell pepper, and then I'm going to dice up. No, I didn't dice it up. I've sliced up the onion. And once I slice up the onion, then I'm going to take those chicken breasts and I'm going to make sure I cut them into strips. I'm going to try to keep them small strips, but they're going to be kind of thick, as you see, or thicker than I really want them to be, but enough to where you can just cut them a little bit more to get them bite size. So I'm going to just do that right here in this part of the cooking session. Sometimes I like cutting onions, sometimes I don't. Um, Largely because of if you're not careful, you can tear up, of course. But then sometimes I don't feel comfortable about how I dice them up. So I went back and I watched, somebody else show me a little trick of how to dice my onions real, quickly. And so but of course, that was before this video. But I'm slicing these suckers up. I'm keeping them in strips so that when everything's prepared, the red green peppers, the yellow bell peppers, and the onions will look good on top of those chicken breasts I'm getting ready to cook up for you. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to slice up these chicken breasts in some strips. And to make it easier on the cleaning process of the chicken, I got some skinless chicken breasts and just a little fat here and there, a little fat. You can cut away that fat, but anyway, it's not much to really bother anything. But I'm just gonna cut these suckers up real thin as I want. They're gonna cook down a little bit. So I'm going to slice these up and get them prepared and season them with some of my favorite seasons. Yeah, it's man, when I was putting this together, I was like, wow, I can already get ready to smell the aroma of what I'm going to use. What the garlic um, and different seasons. I'm going to show you in just a few minutes of what I put together to season the chicken breast and also to season the vegetables. The vegetables, of course, being the yellow and the red, and yeah, yellow, red bell pepper and the onions. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle some of my favorite Cajun Creole seasoning on top of this chicken here. Gonna sprinkle quite a bit, and sometimes I get choked up when I sprinkle this stuff on here too. Gonna make it a good spicy taste on this chicken breast. Now I'm gonna grab my paprika and sprinkle some of the paprika on the chicken as well. Love that Cajun seasoning with paprika. And then I'm going to take some garlic salt and sprinkle this garlic salt on here as well. Just a little bit. I'm not cooking with salt, but I'm going to use this garlic salt here on the chicken. Then I'm going to make sure each and every chicken strip is coated real well with the seasoning I just added to it and get it ready to hit the pan. Get it ready, hit the pan. Okay, I'm getting a generous amount of oil here for the pan and plus about 2 tablespoons of butter and a bunch of garlic as I get this stuff prepared for my vegetables, which will go in after this all melts down and aromas up the house. Okay, and now I'm getting ready to put the vegetables in there, and I'm going to just let them cook down to almost like the onions be kind of translucent, as well as the bell peppers, the red and the yellow ones, and of course the garlic smelling, all that just makes the house smell so good. Then I'm gonna put my chicken in there as well. I'm not gonna let you see me just cook up the chicken because it makes the video a little longer just to see it cook down, but you'll get the gist of it from the picture that I will provide once everything is looking good. Okay, everybody, there it is. It's the finished product, the chicken and bell peppers, all that stuff. It looks really yummy. You know, as I'm looking at it, maybe I should have put some green peppers in here as well to get a little more color to it. Yeah, but yeah, you can see even it's a lot of garlic there. You see the garlic sitting on top of the chicken. But yeah, this was a flavorful meal. Again, I cooked some jasmine rice and some green beans to go with it. And of course, I put this over the top of the jasmine rice if you want to. Yeah, or you can just leave the rice on the side. But yeah, this was a really good meal. And if you, I don't know if I have a recipe. I just told you basically. If you followed the video, saw what I put in there. Yeah, you can do the same thing. If you want to know amounts, I could probably provide that for you if you just hit me up in the comment section down below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and Uncle Sam will see you next time in the next video.